What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to Niecy W Beauty. My name is Denise or Niecy. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see and I hope you consider subscribing. To all of my OGs, thank you for your support. I appreciate you. This is my makeup basket for the week of July 23rd. And I'm going to get started. I am going to go ahead and admit another bust. But I'm also going to say instead of putting this palette back again for like the third week in a row, I decided to go ahead and do my Monday morning makeup using this palette. So yes, we finally dug into the Circo Loco palette. So you can see some of the shades that I did touch. I am so glad I finally got into it. Love the quality, the pigmentation, the blendability. Love it. I always go overboard, which I did today. I always go overboard whenever I do a colorful look. So don't come for me. It just is what it is. And my throat is dry. Okay, so we are going to get into it. I'm going to put this one back. I think I did I use this one? Let's see. I feel like I did, but I am not sure. The Mothership for Decadence. I know I used one of these in my Monday morning makeup. Can't for the life of me remember which one it is. But I did use one of them. And the next one was the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction. And if you look at my packaging, I have a very thoughtful friend who sent me her packaging because I complained about the other one. So now I have the real deal. And it actually, she even left the names in the bottom of the box for me. So happy. I was so happy when I got the box on my porch. I was like, sent me something? Then I opened it and I just bust out laughing and then completely hurried up, came in here, threw that old box in the trash and put my palette into this new one. So happy to have a new box. The next two palettes are from Clarity, and this is the Bloom palette. Didn't use it. The Croc palette, didn't use it, and that shade still looks okay, but still a little puffed up out of the pan. I don't think there's anything I can do about that. And Violet Sage from Ace Beauty, didn't use it, and I think that was all of the eyeshadow palettes I had in my basket, and now all of those will go back. The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, of course we love Hourglass in their formulas, so used that and enjoyed it. Used the Complexion Rescue from Bare Minerals. This is the natural matte version. Enjoyed using that. I did use the House Labs in Watermelon Bliss, which is this one. That was the one that gave me like the clown effect last week. And then the blush in Acai Sky, did not use that one. The Kosas Cloud Set in Softly, I love that one. The Mally, the Plush Pen Brightening Concealer. I used that one. That is actually going to stay in my basket. I like that little concealer. And the Scooby-Doo Glam Lights, Daphne and Velma little blush palette. Didn't use it. I feel like that is pretty much quick work of what I had last week. The lip products that I had last week are pretty much going to remain because I did not use them. I added 2 more things, and that is it's my lip lac in Black Veil. I actually did use this one last week instead of another one, but I'm also going to keep this in my basket for this week. And I have the MAC lip gloss in Oh Baby. I'm going to add that one. All the other lip things are going to stay the same. Eyeshadow palettes for this week, actually eyeshadow and face palettes. Oh, let's do this first. My foundations for this week are from NARS, and I say that with an S because I use these two together. And these are the light reflecting foundations. I have them in Caracas and Bellum, so I'm going to be using those. If I can get the tops to stay on them. The Mented bronzer in Yacht Life. I'm going to keep this one in my basket. My powder for the week is the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. So that is going to be in my basket. Trying to make sure there is nothing else before I move forward. No, so we're going to start with the 2 face palettes that I pulled out, and this one is the Sydney Grace Luminous Light palette, and I have it in the deep version, and it looks like this. And I did use this today. I used the blush here, which is Sun Glow, and the highlighter, which is Wonderstruck. Very pretty. And I also put, ooh, did I gouge that? No, good. I also pulled out the Bronze Blush Glow Palette, face palette from Beauty Bay, and that looks like that. And now eyeshadows that I pulled out, Where the Wild Things Grow. This is from Sydney Grace also, and I have it in the deep version, and it looks like that. The Limoncello palette from ColourPop, and that looks like that. The Amor y Mariposas palette from Milk Cosmetics, and looks like that. The are they Alien Cosmetics anymore? I'm confused, but anyway, Alien Cosmetics Not Normal palette, which looks like this. And the last eyeshadow palette is the Unbreakable Bond palette by Sydney Grace. And also, y'all, Sydney Grace is having their, I think, Christmas in July sale starting Monday, the 24th of July. And it's going to go through the 31st of July. And tomorrow, I think if you spend $60, you'll get one of their new palettes for free. I think there's like 3 different palettes throughout the week that if you spend $60, you'll get that palette for free. And these are all new palettes. So I say check out Sydney Grace. Not sponsored, but check it out because I'm going to be checking it out. But that's it, you all. I think that is my basket, and that is the quickest makeup basket I have done in a long time. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned this week for my Monday morning makeup tomorrow, where you see me put this look together. And also the video for Thursday, I am going to be decluttering some old palettes and moving my blushes to a new drawer because my blush drawer is overflowing. So you all please join me in doing that on Thursday. Again, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.